Hey everybody, Johan here, Big Sweet Barbecue. Today, it's a beautiful day in the backyard, and I'm going to show you my favorite way of cooking those little tenderloin tails that you get after making beautiful filet mignons. First, we need a good fire, so let's get started with that. So we cubed up the tenderloin and marinated them for a couple of hours in momofuku sweet savory miso and ginger sauce. We want to remove the cubed tenderloin from the marinade, and then we want to pat it dry. Next, we have wooden skewers that we soaked in water. So now we want to skewer the tenderloin. When we have built up a great ember bed and the fire has subdued a little bit, it's time to start grilling the skewers. We want to grill them a couple of minutes on each side, flipping them frequently. And when the tenderloin reaches 130 degrees internal temperature, they're ready to be removed. We're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, and then we're going to add some green onions. Last but not least, we're going to drizzle them with some sriracha mayo, and that's all there is to it. Then these skewers are ready to sample. And that is how easy it is to make these Japanese tenderloin skewers. And I guess we have to try one and see what they taste like, so here we go. Absolutely packed with umami flavor. This is so good, and I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. I can eat 10 of these.